If you're searching for a romance that feels deeply emotional, painfully real, and impossible to forget, then Restore Me by J.L. Seegars deserves a place at the top of your listening list. This isn't just another love story. It's about two people carrying emotional scars, struggling with trust, forgiveness, and the fear of opening their hearts again. Every conversation feels authentic, every moment carries emotional weight, and every chapter pulls you deeper into their journey of healing. What makes the audiobook experience so powerful is the emotion behind every line. Instead of simply reading the story, you hear every hesitation, every heartbreak, every spark of hope. The narration transforms meaningful conversations into unforgettable moments, making the characters feel incredibly real. If you've ever loved a second-chance romance, stories with emotional depth, realistic relationships, and characters who have to fight for their happiness, this audiobook delivers exactly that. It balances romance, vulnerability, chemistry, and personal growth in a way that keeps you invested from beginning to end. The best stories don't just entertain you, they stay with you long after they're over. Restore Me is one of those rare romances that reminds us healing isn't easy, but the right person can make it worth the journey. So if you're looking for your next unforgettable audiobook, don't let this one pass you by. Check the link in the description to start your free audiobook trial and experience Restore Me the way it was meant to be heard. You may discover your next favorite romance today.